Printing? Okay.
What you printing?
So what I'm printing is a little experiment where, like, when people do things on the GoFundMe, I print a little thing and I send it to their house for them. So this is gonna be the second to last prize. It's a little dancing dragon thing because it's the year of the dragon on Chinese New Year. So this is a little dancing dragon thing I like. And yeah.
What else are you gonna make?
A little dragon egg, a little dragon coin, and a Azure dragon statue. And if you like donate a bunch, then you can get all 4. So yeah.